In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, and peace and blessings be upon the noblest of messengers, our Master Muhammad and his family and companions. Welcome everyone to today's course, a course on designing interactive lessons using the Nearpod application. The sound and image are clear. I can only hear one person right now. The sound and image are clear. Dr. Sharif. Khalid, excellent. May Allah bless you. We rely on Allah because our course today is going to be a bit intensive, or to put it more accurately, it's going to be a heavy course, God willing. So we will try our best to benefit from every word in it. All right, with the blessing of Allah. Of course, our course is recorded and will last for 3 hours till the Maghrib prayer, God willing. There won't be a break. The break will be during the Maghrib prayer, God willing. Okay, let's start by talking about the program or the Nearpod application. Of course, the Nearpod, many of us will tell you, by God, the Nearpod, it's very widely used in schools and some universities that use it or things like that. No, today we will talk about it in a completely different way or a different way. We're not used to seeing it before because the goal of this course is to help faculty members in synchronous e-learning, and that's where we'll focus a bit, as well as asynchronous e-learning. So Nearpod is a tool for communication and collaboration between the teacher and their students, through which we create presentations or design interactive lessons as well. Through it, you can create quizzes, conduct surveys, and track your students' achievements during the class time. Of course, there are many advantages to the Nearpod program. It is considered an application or a site that includes several programs together. So it's like we say, it's a tool that contains multiple tools. So, of course, we are used to, in all e-learning courses, that we come in and explain a specific site or an electronic tool that helps me in our educational process. In the Nearpod, no, this Nearpod is an educational platform or an educational environment that has more than one other educational tool that helps each other. I mean, as we say, with a simple example or in simple terms, a cocktail of a group of programs together that help the faculty member perform his educational mission with his witnesses. All right, of course, the number is increasing now, so I'm recording this session and I don't want to waste time. Let's get started right away with the blessing of Allah. I'll go ahead and open Google. Let's start by typing Nearpod in Google together. So we type Nearpod in Google together and the first link will come up. Of course, I'll send you the name as a link so that you can write it down directly. You go to the first link and click on it, and it will take you to the Nearpod website. Of course, we said that Nearpod is an educational platform that includes many other educational tools. I consider it a combination, meaning it brings together platforms or combines other educational tools. It helps faculty members, especially in synchronous virtual classrooms, to perform their work effectively. I'll send you the website to make it easier for you to access it directly. We're sharing the screen with you. All right, got it. I'm sending you the Nearpod website. Sharing my screen, let's go. This is the Nearpod website. When we accessed it through Google, when we went to Google and typed in Nearpod, I wrote Nearpod up here in Google. Just click on the first link here. You will meet the site. Nearpod isn't just for K-12. It offers e-learning tools beyond that. We'll explore each tool. We'll cover them simply to address these topics. You can then use Nearpod in teaching. Faculty might wonder, enter as faculty or student. We'll enter as faculty. Is this site paid or free? It's free for faculty to create courses up to 100 megabytes. We need a full lecture, but we will try to cover them in a simple structure to address these topics. You can then utilize Nearpod and its tools in your educational process. You have the site, and I hope people start joining me. First, as a faculty member, you might ask yourself, am I going to enter as a faculty member or as a student? We will all enter as faculty members from the sign up free. Now, someone might ask, Dr. Sami, is this site paid or free? It is free for faculty members up to 100 megabytes. 100 megabytes can handle a full course. So if I have a course with 14 units, I teach 5 courses and I'm entering with 1 email. Will I enter as a student, enter as faculty from this green box, or sign up free? Dr. Sami, is this site paid or free? It's free for faculty to create courses up to 100 megabytes. I've tried it. It can handle a full course. For example, a course with 14 units, including videos and images. You might have more than 1 email, so create multiple accounts. If you like Nearpod, you can pay. Try it on a course and see. Click Teacher to create your account. Account setup is simple in Nearpod. Your 100 megabytes, and I've tried it. It can handle a full course. So if I have a course, for example, with 14 units, including their videos and images, I can say, okay, I teach 5 courses and I'm entering with 1 email. In the end, you might have more than 1 email, so you can create multiple subscriptions, or if you like Nearpod, you can use it and pay for it. The important thing is to try it out on a course and see how things look. After that, you can decide whether to create multiple accounts or subscribe. So we're saying just click here on Teacher to create your account. You need to create an account, and the account setup is very simple in Nearpod, or from here. All right, let's go together and click on Sign Up Free. We agreed that it will give you 100 megabytes for free, which is a good amount and not bad at all. Oh, from here? All right, let's go in together and click on Sign Up Free. We agreed that it will give you 100 megabytes free, which is a good amount and not bad at all. And we can see the time and use it. At first, he tells you, if you have a Google account, meaning you have a Google email, immediately just give me that email and I'll set up your account right away. Honestly, I prefer these methods instead of writing my name and all that, putting in my email and everything. No, I just click here. All right, yes. So I immediately create an account by entering my email. Of course, when I write, it's because I already have an account, so I logged in right away. You're still here because it's your first time and I won't go out again. Since it's your first time, you come here to Google and you just need to make sure your email is a Google email. It should have a nice extension. So you put in your name and the first name, last name, and password. But forget that password. The important thing is to log in through this account. If you also have an account in Office 365, that's fine. If you have an account in Clever, that's fine. But I definitely prefer that we use Google all the time. And you build the data and check the box. And you click the button and agree. And you click sign up. What? What? All right, sign up. Okay, I'm going to log in now just so I don't waste your time because the course is simple and there's a lot of information. Take your time to create your account and then click on sign up with Google. So all that you need to provide is your name, email, and password. That's all that's required to create your account. So I've logged into my account. As you can see here, this is my account and this is the Nearpod interface. We'll try to understand it. And we start to interact with it very well. Because I told you Nearpod contains an educational platform that has the educational tools. It has more than one educational tool inside it. So we need to understand it very well. I'll send you the platform again. This is the website, everyone, for Nearpod. Join me.